What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I have a very quickie video to tell you about a little product that I was sent to review. I was sent it for free to review from Instylish, and it is one of those kind of microfiber kind of sponges, and I'll tell you about my experience with it. I like the pink. Of course I like the pink. But first of all, I'm going to show you a demo of me using this. But before I get into that, I wanted to tell you that I did try the baby blue Juno sponge once before. So I wasn't sure I was going to like this because I for some reason that was just super hard, and it just felt like I was smacking myself up the face, smacking myself upside the face with it. But this is super soft and very squishy. It doesn't feel hard and dense like that one did, and the surface of it is super soft. I love this part, the little cut off blunt area, because it just goes where it needs to go. And I'll show you the demo now, and then I'll come back and tell you about my opinion on this product. As you can see, I put my foundation on with the brush, but then I go in with the blender and smooth it out, and then basically conceal other areas that I feel needed more foundation. So that's what I was using this for today. I also used it to blend out my concealer and apply powder, and so it worked perfectly for that. I didn't really feel the need to use the round end. I just really liked this blunt cut off area because it just was perfect to get up underneath and also to get around where I needed to go. It worked perfectly. It really did leave a really nice finish. It didn't leave streaks or marks or anything like that. It just looked really airbrushed, and I really liked that. This is actually the second or third time I've used this, so it's still working perfectly. If I had a con, it's pink and it gets stained, but every sponge that I have aside from my black ones look like this, and so that's just the name of the game. But this is what it looks like. It comes in a package like this, and I will list all the information down below. The people at Instylish were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys, and the discount code is Sherri. I will have that listed below, but that will give you 10% off. So if you use that, I don't get anything, any commission or anything like that from it. You just get to save yourself a little bit of coin if you want to try out this sponge. So short and sweet, like I said. I just wanted to share this product with you because I've been enjoying it, and let you know that you could go get it for a little bit of a discount. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.